Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore the topic of how to never doubt your salvation. Doubt is something that many Christians experience at some point in their faith journey. It can be a challenging feeling that can make us question our beliefs and relationship with God. But fear not. In this video, we will discuss practical tips and insights that will help you overcome doubt and strengthen your faith. First and foremost, it's important to have a solid foundation in God. Building a strong relationship with Him through prayer, worship, and studying His Word, the Bible, can provide a firm grounding for your faith. Additionally, being an active participant in a Christian community can be immensely beneficial. Surrounding yourself with fellow believers and engaging in discussions, Bible studies, and fellowship can provide support and encouragement during times of doubt. In this video, we will also explore the concept of doubt itself. We will discuss common doubts that Christians may face and provide biblical perspectives and insights to address them. Remember, doubt is not uncommon, and it doesn't mean you've lost your salvation. It's a natural part of our journey and an opportunity for growth. By understanding and addressing our doubts, we can deepen our faith and develop a stronger assurance of our salvation. Join us in this insightful and uplifting video as we navigate the path to a doubt-free faith and discover how to never doubt your salvation. If you enjoyed the insights and found value in this video, subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more engaging content like this. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found the information helpful. It really helps us reach more people. Looking forward to having you join our growing family.